Hey guys, Notion has become the go-to hub for founders and executives who want clarity and operational control. The best templates include CEO dashboard, KPIs, team performance OKRs, and project health in one view. Investor update hub, revenue, burn rate, roadmap, and wins, exportable in seconds. Operation OS, SOPs, automations, and team workflows connected between pages. These templates eliminate clutter and give decision makers the ability to act fast, delegate better, and track growth without being buried in spreadsheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. A lot of YouTubers recommend Shopify or WordPress, but for solopreneurs and digital creators in 2026, Gumroad, the most efficient system is Gumroad, Product Hub, Zapier, or Make, email automation, Stripe, and PayPal for payment method, right? How this architects your income. Gumroad turns every lead and every piece of content into potential recurring revenue automatically. Example system: someone watches your video, downloads your free template on Gumroad. Zapier sends them to your email list. Automated emails lead them to your paid product. Payments flow through Stripe. Zapier tags high intent users for future upsells. Pro hack: triple stack monetization. With each product, stack digital product, upsell, template, script pack, advanced version, subscription, weekly insights, monthly templates. Okay, this is how creators make 2,000 to 10,000 a month with small audiences. So this is an income architecture: acquire, automate, monetization, not random tool, not random tool hopping. If you apply these 3-tool sequence consistently for 90 days, you will have fully functioning income system instead of a guessing game. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.